Yeah, Roy, what are we going to do today with the buckets?
Well, we've got two Rapid Tough Buckets, the green bucket, the popular green bucket. We've got two of these and a ute. We're going to lift the ute and we're going to put it on top of these buckets, upside down.
You reckon this will hold?
Well, we'll soon see, won't
Okay,
we?
yeah, all right.
Okay, now we've got to lift it up. Hey, Ethan, can you lift this bucket, can you lift this ute for us?
Get in. Yeah, get in. In. Yeah, in. Yeah, all right, pick it up. Yeah.
Is it holding?
Yeah.
Okay, go right back out. Check out how tough these buckets are.
They're pretty strong.
They're holding it no problem.
Yeah.